Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mahi the Avenger. Today I come with another interesting video. Luxury gated community at Pati, just beside Patancheru. The OR are also very close. The location is Pati. In this project we have 247 luxurious villas are constructing. This is what you are seeing is the main gate. Project developed by Mirchi Developers and project name is Venice City. In this Venice City we have 247 villas, fully gated community with all the luxury amenities. Today I am going to show you east face 180 square yards duplex villa. Let's see the property. It's an east face villa. You can see the elevation here. Plot size is 185 square yards. It's a model villa, so the people will get how the villas will be once construction is over. It's a east face villa. See the structure here. And opposite to this, we have west face. This is the west face villa. The plot size is 165 square yards. This is the car parking area. And see, very spacious. This is a spacious living room. The finishing works are going on. Very spacious living room. This is the master bedroom in ground floor. The dimensions are this is the washroom. This place for dressing, and this is the washroom. Total project is 16 acres. This place for dining. Puja room. Kitchen. This project going to hand over in December 2022. Total 247 luxury villas are there with dining area. Now we are going upstairs. The project location is Pati, very close to ORR exit number 3 and exit number 2 also. And very close to National Highway 65. See. We are in first floor now. This is the living area. The dimensions are This is the master bedroom. Very spacious. 18 into 14. You can see number of villas are under construction. You can see the overhead water tank there. Very prestigious project of Mystery Developers. This is the dressing area, and this is the washroom. From master bedroom to we are moving out. There is the living area. And this is the sit out area. Front you can see the west facing villa. West facing villa size is 165 square yards. You can see the view from here. Very huge project. Quality of the construction is too good. We are in another bedroom in first floor. Dimensions are 13 into 8. 13 into 8. You can see the washroom here. And here you can see the Mirchi logo. As it's a model villa, so everywhere we did fall ceiling and few more works to do. And within short time, we are going to close all the works. East face villa built up area is 2599. We are going open terrace. These are the steps for open terrace. Venice City is a HMD approved project developed in 16 acres. It has two-way roads, connectivity, 200 feet and 100 feet road. You can see the view here. Number of villas are under construction. This project consists of 247 villas. East and west facing are available. You can see just beside MPR Urban City is there. And from here you can see the ORR exit number 3 also. In this community we are giving a fully loaded clubhouse with it's a G+2 construction. Indoor and outdoor games are there, and this place is very close to financial district. You can see water tank there. Surrounding we have too many number of international schools like Gaudium and Samesti and Project name Venice City, constructed by Mirchi Developers. Prestigious project for Mirchi Developers. Total project in 16 acres, 247 villas. East and west facing duplex villas are available. East facing plot size is 185 square yards and west facing plot size is 165 square yards. Built up area for east facing 2599. For west facing built up area is 2230. Different payment methods are available. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.